Down. Brian Tapp got the green flag in his hand, ready to give him a wave side by side out of turn number 4. Here we go. Hold on to your pants. We're racing here at Tulsa. Factory stock's underway, going down into turns 1 and 2 for the first time of the night. Wasserman leads them out down the back straightaway. Got a car links between him and the 21 of Christopher Adair going into 3 and 4. Here comes the number 7 of Todd Truitt on the outside, rolling for third. Dives it off to the inside. Lap number 1 goes to the 22K of Kevin Wasserman. Wasserman leading lap number 1. Staying. Here comes now the 41 on the outside for the lead. Down the back straightaway of Sean Brownlee. Brownlee on the outside. Now they're going 3 wide into turns 3. Wasserman slides it up the track. Truitt on the inside. He's now to the lead. Down the front straightaway. Truitt, your leader. Brownlee, Wasserman, your top 3. Still toe to toe into 1 and 2. Brownlee on the inside, getting around Wasserman. Wasserman washes it way up top in turn 2, and trouble for the 14 of Tommy Lawley. He's pulling off into the infield, into the muddy zone. Todd Truitt leading upcoming lap number 3 now. Sean Brownlee on the tail bumper, looking to go to the inside, down the back straightaway, challenging for the lead. Racing down the scoreboard, entering turn 3, sliding it in, trying to go inside of Truitt halfway. 4 down, 4 remain for Truitt. Todd Truitt, Sean Brownlee, Kevin Wasserman, Christopher Adair, Jim Keene, Dustin Robotham, rounding him out. Now here comes a J4, Keene challenging on the 21 of Christopher Adair. Didn't stick out for him down the back stretch into 3 and 4. Keene back to the inside in 3 and 4, trying to turn her hard left, but just not enough, slid it up the track. And then the 21 of Adair made a little contact with the wall down the front straightaway. Keene able to capitalize out of 2 down the back straightaway. Wasserman once again washes it way up the racetrack out of 2. Meanwhile, 2 laps to go for the leaders of Todd Truitt in 1 and 2. Out of 2 down the back straightaway, Todd Truitt, Sean Brownlee in second, and the 41. Brownlee on the tail in 3 and 4, trying to make a hard charge right on the tail bumper out of turn 4. White flag, one more trip around, Truitt or Brownlee. Brownlee going to try on the outside of 1 and 2. He's going for the lead, side by side out of 2. Truitt pulls the slide out of 2 on Brownlee. Brownlee going to try one more time on the outside. Coming to the checkered flag. Truitt holds him off. Todd Truitt gets the first heat win of the night, followed by Sean Brownlee. And we'll await third placeman, and it'll go to the number 21 of Christopher Adair, Jim Keene, Kevin Wasserman, Dustin Robotham rounding him out at the tail. And then DNF, unfortunately, for the number 14 of Tommy Lawley, who sits idle in the muddy zone of the infield.
So we got Chris Wilson pulling into the lead. Oh, has to. Ricky Bledsoe looks like he's got a check up there for the 6W. Looks like Ricky makes the pass on the inside as Chris slides up the top of the track. Looks like the 87 of Chris Nunn taking away that second position. Chris is going to try her back on the top side. The 20 RB of Ricky looks like he's got a little lead here. Let's see if he can keep it rolling. Chris Wilson coming in on the inside there of that beautiful 87 car. Oh, got trouble for the 34 of Aaron Keene coming down to the infield. The 6W of Chris Wilson around on the outside, coming out of 2, trying to make that pass. See if he's going to make it work up top here. What a battle for second we got. Looks like Chris Nunn's got him there at the line. Chris is going to try to hold it on top. Oh, loses it a little bit. Two to go with Ricky Bledsaw with the lead here. Coming to the white flag, we have Ricky Bledsoe in the 20 RB, and then we in second place got the Chris Nunn. Oh, looks like there's trouble with Chris Wilson in the 6W getting it to turn. In that third position. And fourth is Zoe Hyde. Ricky Bledsoe with your heat race number 2 win. And second, you got Chris Nunn. And third, you have Chris Wilson. And then the 9 is Derek Arnett. And the 4 is Zoe Hyde.